fix YouTube TV buffering. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your YouTube TV if it is buffering. So first of all, just simply open your YouTube TV official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And if you see that your YouTube TV is buffering for a while now and the problem is persisted, so all you have to do in order to fix it, just simply check your internet connection first and just see if your internet connection or the speed of the internet is appropriate or not, because sometimes what happens is when you play 4K or 2K resolution content in your YouTube TV account and your internet connection is not up to the mark, you might see the buffering in your YouTube TV app or in your YouTube TV account. And once you fix that, your problem should be completely gone. You can also try restarting your device, because sometimes what happens is that when you're using the app for a while and you're using multiple different application in your device and it gets stuck, and you might face buffering issue in the YouTube TV as well. And now the other option that you have is to clear cache and data regarding the YouTube TV application in your mobile device or in your computer as well. Just simply clear all the cache files related to your YouTube TV application that has been accumulated over the period of time, and once you clear all the cache, your YouTube TV buffering problem should be fixed. So these are the few steps that you can follow in order to fix your buffering issues, and hopefully these might fix your problem completely. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to fix YouTube TV buffering. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.